Okay, so we're going to start out by pointing this. If you turn the volume thing up here on the screen recording and snap, you get this cool echo. You turn it up too much and you get a lot of reverb. So that's interesting. Now onto the video. Okay guys, so today we're talking about what I do to manage files and photos so I can find them later and keep track of them. So let's start by just putting a card in the card reader, of course. Give that a minute to come up. So then what I do is on my computer, I have a pictures folder, and I have, usually I only keep the pictures of the year on here. So 2020 just started. I'm going to today offload the 2019 photos to my hard drive. So I have the current year's photos saved on my computer. So here in 2020, for example, we have a folder for every month, and then inside the folders, nothing in February, it's not February yet. January we have different events, such as a basketball game I photographed just last night. And then, so I take, if I have anything on my drive, this is a backup one, it should be empty. Actually, it has a couple of video files I just shot with it on it. So just say those were pictures of, I don't know, new folder. So then whatever the event was, say it was, I don't know, some sort of party or something, I create a new folder for it. Let's just clean these up real quick. And then I would just copy them and add them to the folder. And then once they're copied there, I delete them from my drive. I don't need these. To keep it clear so I have storage, because especially this backup one, I keep around in case I need it but don't want to use it because it's 256 megabytes. So that's small. And my other drive that I'm recording on now is only 8 gigabytes, so I need to get a bigger one because I'm doing video now with that. So then once it's uploaded to there, what I do is I come over here and we will shrink this guy down, drag it down here, and I use Google Photos, and then I take, so I actually need to upload all these to Google Photos because I edit my pictures on my iPad. So if I'm shooting something in RAW and want the RAW files from my iPad, I email them to myself because Google Photos downgrades them from RAW. So then I just upload everything to Google Photos so I can get to it on my iPad easily, as well as it serves as another backup. So I have them saved here and on the cloud. And then once the year is over, I just take them and I have a Western Digital, I think this is a 500 gigabyte drive. It's my passport, and I should have here, and I have a couple picture folders. Is this it? Nope. This was off my old Mac. I need to work with this still. So in here I have 2017's folder, 2018's. And once I finish uploading these, I will drag the 2019, back one more, 2019's folder onto here, have them saved here. That will probably take a couple hours, it takes a while. I could upload month by month, which would save time in the end. But then, yeah, I don't know. This is just what I've been doing to manage my files. And then for video files, so say I'm working on a project, I have a folder here called vids. Getting a lot open here. And then in here I have a folder for every video that's been worked on. So like this one was just coming out. This was an overly sarcastic tutorial on how to make ramen. So here we have the video files, and usually if it has more than just video in it, if I have pictures or script or something, I'll create a folder for video, folder for images, folder for script, or for recording audio separately. Like I think this one, we have one for scripts, one for footage, one for audio. We have some scripts. Oh, okay, it's been saving other scripts in here. I need to fix that. But normally, so this is the script for that one. That's for a film contest coming up, and that was a contest that I didn't end up finishing for. That's another one. And then footage, I don't have any footage for this one yet, we're still working on planning it, and an audio file. And that's where I keep everything, keep it organized. So then when I go into If I was doing anything with iMovie, I'd just go open this folder and import that stuff. Or on the editing PC, it means I'd have to transfer the files, but we use HitFilm Express. I have it on here, but my computer doesn't really run it well. So that's basically what we do to keep track of files so we can find everything and keep everything up to date and saved so we don't lose anything. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.